this is how the chicken fence turned out. It looks great. We just got the hinges on today, right there on the door. It's so cute. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm so excited. We still need to put in the irrigation, so we're still working on that. So there's the trench right there that was dug. So that's gonna have the irrigation and the electricity that's gonna go out to, look at that, the big garden's almost finished, where we're gonna have a little seed room and like a little workshop in the garden. So Orange Chicken has his home now, so he could roam around with the chickens, and maybe we might let him out, I don't know. But look at this hinge. And then we just turn it and it opens and then it closes just like that. So exciting. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you at the next site or in the next video. All right, bye-bye. I'm so excited that our chicken run is done, so I don't ever have to find another egg like this again.